This is the standard grill that comes with the standard drain. Use this as a template or a width gauge when the black channel's fitted in position. Just cut off the wedging tabs to allow easy removal. It's just a little tip when it comes to installing the correct width. The channel's been mounted at slab height under the tiles. This allows the tiles to run over the top and be included within the hide cover. How does it get supported in there? Let's have a look. 5 bridges come with each length. Each 1200 length has 5 of these bridges. They can be located anywhere along the channel to support the top cover. The square tab through the top is a tab connector, and I'll show you how this works in a moment. On this particular job, the actual hide linear cover has been cut down to the correct length. 2 tabs have been rotated using the tab lifting key to allow these tabs to engage in the bridge. Locate the bridge close to where the tab needs to be engaged and pop the lid in. This lid can be glued to the bridges with the hide adhesive. This keeps it stable